stopping. We do have a clutter of cars up there, but I think we'll make it out alive, guys. I don't think I say it enough, but I do appreciate all you guys that are watching. I mean, I do make these videos and it is pretty easy for me to make, and I do enjoy editing. Pretty fast process if you have the right software. I don't use anything cheap because I want to make quality content. It is something that I do want to following. I do enjoy watching the subscriber count rise. I do enjoy seeing you guys comment, and I like to talk to you guys and see all the views and everything, so that's always a good thing. And of course, I don't take it selfishly like other people. They're just all about the money and everything, when I am all about sharing the experience and then putting all proceeds that I get from YouTube into mods for these trucks. Fuel isn't cheap either, so I'm not going to just be banking on things here. As you can see, I'm driving all the time with you guys, and I enjoy it. You guys may be thinking, yeah, I'm just some backwoods kind of guy, you know what I'm saying? I just want to live in the woods just to be in the woods. That's not necessarily it. The big reason why is because I want to be able to build up these trucks and be loud and obnoxious, go off-roading in my own backyard and really have nothing to worry about. But I can't really do that in my current living situation. That's why I want to move. And we got a second-gen Cummins right here blowing smoke. Look at that offset, guys. This car needs to move the f*** out of the way. All right, here we go, guys. Check that out. Holy crap. I love those wheels, man. That stance. Cummins, dude. Look at that. Oh, he's got the cab lights too. Hell yeah, dude. Following this motherfucker. That's the stance I'm talking about, guys. A few inches after the fender there. Oh. So I was going to stop at Walmart for a second to check out the automotive section for something cool, but of course we are losing sunlight, so I'm not going to take that risk. Maybe we'll make a stop later because it is pretty bright, and sometimes there is pretty cool trucks there at night, and yeah, not too much going on tomorrow, so I definitely have the time to do that. And the caffeine's kicking in. All right, let's keep on going. We're hitting the 4 o'clock traffic right now. As you can see, it's pretty bad. I know it's 4:44 right now, 16:44 for you military folks. But here is the thing, a lot of people are driving from way into the city. They're coming all the way out to this area. This is the Redland area, as you guys know. You might be familiar with by now because of my videos. This is the woods area, guys. A lot of farmlands, a lot of people like to drive trucks. Got a second gen with black wheels. Pretty sweet. So I watched this old diesel event video the other day. It was a Motor Trend video, and it was a diesel dyno competition. And there was a 95 12 valve that was on the top of the charts. I mean, I think it was over 1,200 horsepower. I think it was 1,300 or something. It was way up there. It beat all the other trucks. There was other trucks there from 2000 all the way up to like 2014, maybe newer. They all had these insane power mods on there. The 12 valve wins with a mechanical injection.
Only guy with the P-pump motor in the competition. That's certainly not going to hold you back. This thing has the potential to set the big numbers here on the dyno. McCoy Black with one pull vaults all the way to the top of the sheet. You're well over 1,200 horsepower, over 2,000 foot-pounds. Tell me that's what you were looking for.
Yeah. Honestly, unbelievable. I didn't know that they could do that, and it held up well. It didn't blow or anything. The transmission was fine. Built tranny, of course. The Humvees, I always thought solid axle all the way. All the way. It's always been the strongest. You know, they had the military Blazers with the solid axle, and then, of course, you got the Humvees, and they have this IFS suspension. I mean, it has the coil springs like as if it was a solid axle. It's sort of a similar setup, but it's more like an IFS suspension. And yeah, that's crazy because those are the military vehicles and they're rocking an IFS suspension. And also, they're not four-wheel drive. I always thought four-wheel drive was the best for all off-road conditions. We're talking about the US military here. They're using all-wheel drive. I've always been so strong, four-wheel drive, solid axle. It's always been my top of the charts, nice second gen right there. Topics have really changed my outlook on life, these new things that I've been seeing. So I definitely want to buy a 12 valve someday. It's definitely something I want to do, but of course, as years go by, it's going to be harder and harder to find. And my ideal 12 valve would be kind of like the setup of this truck when it comes to the cab, an extended cab, short bed, 5-speed, 12 valve with all completely stock parts, stock wheels and tires, everything stock. And then I would of course mod it myself and make videos on it. Yep, sun's going down pretty bad. You know you're in the woodsy area whenever it's just a 1-lane road like this. And here's a little update on the sunglasses situation, guys. Yeah, I've been wearing all these cheap sunglasses and they're always just nice and clear to see through. They are UV 400 and they're not polarized or anything, but the ones that I do have on order are actually very nice sunglasses. I think you guys will appreciate them. They are polarized as well, so they're going to be definitely good for my eyesight. Very unfamiliar with this road, so I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Cool driveway. Yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do here. Oh wow, so I just parked the truck and I noticed that there's these goats here. It's pretty awesome. All right, so let's check out this spot. I brought my fishing stuff with me, so I might try out the creek, but I definitely want to take a look at what we got going on here. So it's obvious that people come right here to this spot and fish, but I was hoping for another place that was a little bit more secluded than this. It seems like it looks pretty good down there. So I guess I could drive to that side. It looks like it might be a little bit more promising because I can park off to the side of the road. I think I saw it over there. Yeah, and I'm also thinking here with the exhaust. I'm not really sure. I want to go with a full exhaust. I'd probably fabricate with Westy to get like a 4-inch pipe going out, like I said before. But as of right now, I probably could just cut it right here because it is kind of ugly how low it sits. Because keep in mind, guys, I have the 1.5-inch body lift, so the exhaust used to be about here, and it looked okay there. But I mean, it is a little bit small for look I'm really trying to do. Wow, that person was looking directly at this truck. Yeah, now I'm just aimlessly trying to find a place to pice. Here's a good picture of the Silverado. Too bad it's a little bit dark. All right, let's head on out of here. Went all the way down here. Too many roads around here. I didn't even know there was a road there. That can make things a lot better. Oh, that's probably their driveway. All right, let's head on out of here. Yeah, I could probably drive back there, but the amount of signs there looks like people are ready to prosecute. So, plus I don't know, all this trash around here is probably some nails or something. Yeah, guys, heading back to that exact place because it doesn't look like there's anything too promising on that side. It seems like that was just somebody's driveway. The main thing about this video is coming to the realization. I also wanted to update you guys about what's been going on. I know a lot of stuff's going on in the 717, if you know what I mean. Never gives me any issues. As you can see, I just randomly go on these random drives to crazy places like this, guys. But it always turns out good in the end because I have a very reliable truck to rely on. Sun's going completely down almost now. And we're kind of in a sketchy area. I've never been here before. Kind of scary, but yeah, I think we'll be good. And for the new viewers of the channel, I'm running the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit, zone 1.5-inch body lift. Got these mud terrain tires on the truck, so there's definitely a lot of stuff putting stress on the truck, but in the end, it always lasts. Let me know what mods I should be going with next in the Silverado and the Cummins. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. So I'm pretty much just doing a little update. I also want to know what kind of content you guys are wanting to see. As you can see, with all this trash and everything around, I've definitely ended up on the wrong side of town. Yeah, I'm going to keep you updated, guys, on the mods. I'm going to get some videos out here soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, have a nice day.